So everyone, my name is Gagan Sharma and I am from Japan National University. I would like to present myself on the topic of the continuous lockdown in India has dealt irreparable damage to both student as well as the entire education system. We know the facts that the world is facing the miserable pandemic and somehow we end up being in lockdown. And in the middle of the March of 2020, the Honorable Prime Minister of India has, understanding the need of an hour, imposed the Section 144 of the CRPC, across the country, across the nation, and which results in being in schools, universities, and many other crowded places for an undetermined period. However, the Department of the Education are going through a very crucial time, and like competitive exams and the entrance test, and many other career related opportunity for the students. This will create a very long term impact on the mind of the 285 billion young minds in India, and only a handful of universities will adopt the method of e-learning, and certain low-income private schools and universities will not adopt the method of e-learning, and they impose the proper shutdown in the terms of education because of not accessing the internet. In a comparative study, the traditional way of learning is far more better and useful than the online learning because it will in my point of view, the regular classes gives a competitive advantage to each and every individual, and they tend to interact with their own age, and it will create a physical and mental ability of the students. As in the traditional learning, the teacher and the students will interact them with the eye-to-eye contact, so they can so they tend to understand in a better way and in an effective manner. Whereas the online teaching which opted during this lockdown which does not require waking up early, does not fear of not being scolded. So the question arises, which draws the attention, that is whether that the online test conducted by the education institution in a feasible option in a nation like India. The idea, which has a total of 597,608 villages, out of which 90% have the facility of mobile, and about 9.31% villages do not have the connectivity. The villages in the name of like Odisha, Jharkhand, and the most in the terms of internet connectivity, they do not have that much of internet connectivity like the city of Mumbai and the Hyderabad. So they are not developed. So now we can acknowledge that each and every student individually will not get the perks of the e-learning. Thank you.